एक पेन ला के दे देंगे. Thumb moves, the platform will move. When thumb moves down, platform moves. When thumb moves up, platform move up. Simple concept है ये. If you understand this, now when they teach you, they tell you clockwise, anti-clockwise. You confused what is clockwise, what is anti-clockwise. So जहाँ पर भी अंगूठे को देखो, अंगूठा छाप, मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने. मुंगेर, where is मुंगेर? बिहार. सिंपल का है मुंगेरी लाल, यू नो मुंगेरी लाल. सिंपल का है अंगूठा छाप. It's double, I think double LLB or something, but it's अंगूठा छाप. So wherever my thumb goes, platform goes in that direction. Simply, this applies to the world's most advanced microscopes, and this is where we all make a mistake. We don't understand this, and we're confused clockwise, anti-clockwise, and then we don't know. So now first step is that I take a glass slide, and my glass slide is what dimensions?
3 into 1 inch.
So my glass slide is 3 into 1 inch, and this is, see how I work. I'll make life very comfortable for all of you. You have taken the glass slide. Done. This glass slide will have some sort of markings written over here. Maybe not. Here we have a thing called MES written. It's MES written. So जहाँ पर भी MES लिखा है, or it can be anything written over here, I make a cross. Important is that I have to know where I have mounted my specimen. So in case I hold it like this and I have made a cross, I want to ask you, cross is here or cross is here. How do you come to know?
Here is this one.
No, this is I have hidden for you.
Left side.
You don't know.
We cannot find it.
You can't find out. So first concept is, see, you can't get such high class things. So everything, first thing you do is, how do you serve people food? Holding it like this. When you keep some nice litti choka, my favorite is litti choka in the world, with litti choka. She'll tell you. Litti choka is very. The choka is litti is some balls of flour, and the best part is choka. Is made up of bangan and it's very spicy. चना एंड बैंगन याद है
चना फ्लोर जो होता है ना,
हाँ उसका लिट्टी बनता है बट चोका इज मेड अप आई एम मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन चोका व्हिच इज मेड अप ऑफ बैंगन व्हिच इज वेरी स्पाइसी. सो वी सर्विंग लिट्टी चोका लाइक दिस. So as you're serving, under the left thumb, make an arrow upwards. What I've done, made an arrow upwards. After made the arrow upwards, I'll make a cross. So now in case they ask you, which side is this? Upper side or lower side? What will you say?
this is upper side.
Upper side. The arrow is that side. Remember, the microscope has got limited capability to work. How? Now look at the microscope's capacity to work. I put it here. Now I don't know. I've set it up. Done. So now look at the beauty of this. I'm not trying to locate where my crosses are. I just want to just set up at 4 initially. So I will look at the light coming or not. पहला क्या रहेगा? Light आ रहा है? Light आ रहा है. Light should pass through this open hole. There's a hole here where light is coming. The light is coming in the hole, and try to keep my specimen in the light. So I'm trying to bring my specimen. I'll pass the light through the specimen in the lens. I'm like this. अब नीचे से light ऊपर जा रहा है. I'll try to bring my cross over that light going up. I can do that too, not very difficult. So I do this and I'm at what magnification? Minimal objective, which is 4. But इसमें 4 है. It can be 10 also. It can be 20 also. As I'm moving up, at one point of time, something will show up. Nothing is showing because my cross is not in the center. So I just go, what have I focused? Nothing is focused. This is one of the glass areas, slide areas. So I'll just go like this and I'll find my cross sparkling somewhere. See, cross has to come in the view. Cross will have to come in the view. So cross has come in the view here. Done. No, I'm at what magnification now? 4x. Now look at the beauty. This microscope is designed to work at 100x maximum, right? And to work at 100x, it has to focus initially at 4. See, in case you drive a car, how many of you drive a car? The car actually is in neutral, no? And then you put it on gear number 1. Then only going to go to gear 2, 3, 4 or reverse. So we have to actually go to the lowest possible gear first. Then you go to 2, again go to 3, again go to 4. That's how a car works. So I have gone on 4. Done.